Hi folks, Marcus here at UK Barbecue School, and today we're cooking Carolina style mustard pork tenderloins. I'm going to make them into an amazing sandwich. So I've got some amazing pork tenderloins and I'm going for a mustard Carolina style rub, and I'm finishing it off with a mustard sauce, and I'm going to be smoking them with cherry wood on the Bradley smoker here. I'm going to set it for the maximum setting, 320 Fahrenheit, which is 160 C. I've got some Tubby Tom's Gold Dust here, which is a South Carolina style barbecue seasoning, so it's nice and mustardy. They're a bit of a blank canvas, these tenderloins, flavour wise, so we can amp up the flavours on here, no problem. Go for lots of nice rub on here. You can see as it soaks in, straight away it's turning a nice colour. That's going to add a lovely colour and flavour to these tenderloins. Let's get these on. It's getting nice and hot and smoky in there. We'll get them on the lowest level here. As you can see, there's a nice sizzle there. These won't take long. We're looking for about 63 degrees for those. The nice thing about using the Bradley smoker is it's so easy, anyone can do it. I've just chucked these tenderloins in here and turned them a couple of times and left them. They've now reached a core temperature of 63 degrees internal, which is perfect. Nice colour from the cherry smoke. So these look amazing, and what I'm going to do is just load them up into a nice toasted brioche, and I'm going to go for a nice mustardy sauce. So Tubby Tom's Mutang super tangy mustard sauce. That sounds like it's going to work really well here. Carolina style barbecues, lots of mustard and pork, and that's going to be perfect here, I think. There we go. And then lid on and have a taste of that. How good does that look? Look at that there. How juicy is that pork? Beautiful. That mustard works so well with the pork. It's really tender and juicy. Cooking it to 63 degrees has really cook that beautifully. That is very tasty. The smoke is wonderful from the Bradley smoker. That's beautiful. The cherry smoke, mustard and pork just work so beautifully together. Definitely give this one a try. It's a tasty treat, very quick and easy.